Welcome in this 10th section of our course. In this section, we'll be looking at the topic of text analysis. So we will see how to analyze text in the machine learning way. So we'll be looking at the Spark MLlib that gives us a machine learning toolkit for text analysis. For example, we'll be looking at the feature extraction, so the topic how to extract features from text data. We'll be looking at the classification of that data and logistic regression. And in this first video, we will see what a problem you want to achieve throughout this section. So we'll be analyzing post for an author. So we will be creating a project using Spark MLlib. We will answer a question what we want to achieve. We'll be analyzing our input data, preparing that data to be ready for machine learning models. We'll be doing tokenization and we'll be removing stop words from input. So you want to find an author of given post based on text of post. So you are given a forum with the following data structure. There is a lot of messages, and every message has message ID, subject, author, timestamp when that message was written, and body of the message. And we will create a program that will learn how the author writes posts. So we'll take a body from every message in our forum, and we will build logistic regression using that. So let's see our code. So entry point to our program is load method in MySQL loader class. We are defining that we will be loading our data from JDBC connector MySQL database. Database is called forum. We need to specify a driver, table name, user and password. And once we load it, we will have a data frame with that structure that you presented on the slide. But we need to tokenize that input and remove stop words. So we are taking data frame in that method and SQL context. We need to create new tokenizer and setting input column body and output column words. So it will take a body column, split those tokens into words. It will be an array of strings. Next we are tokenizing data frame, and it will give a resulting data frame with one additional column called words. We need also to remove stop words. Stop words are words that occurred very often in the body of the text but doesn't give us any value. So for example, the, a, and so on and so on. Those words are very often occurs but are not distinguished, so cannot be used to distinguish between authors. So we are taking an input words column that we already tokenized, and output will be without stop word. The stop word remover class needs to have set stop word called, and we are setting stop words to some kind of list. Here we can have some kind of list that will have all stop words there. At the end we are transforming words to the one additional column will be added without stop words.